In a time of change, one leader stood out. From 2016 to 2022, President Rodrigo Duterte defied the odds not just with action, but with the unwavering trust of the Filipino people. Year after year, Duterte topped national surveys, earning some of the highest trust and approval ratings ever recorded in Philippine history. In his first year, an astounding 91% trust rating. In his last year, still among the most trusted leaders in the land. No matter the headlines, no matter the noise, the numbers never lied, the people stood by him. Duterte's presidency wasn't just about numbers, it was about impact, about leadership with a backbone, a president who served, protected, and inspired. And in every survey, the people answered with one voice, Salamat, Tatay Digong. Matatag, matino, makabansa.
Bukas man tinatanaw dahil may isang ikaw.